Guys, ever feel like your car's infotainment is stuck in the past? Maybe you have an older car that doesn't support Apple Carplay or Android Auto. Well, today we're taking a look at the CarpodGo T3 Pro wireless display screen. This bad boy is going to take your driving experience into the future with the latest in-car technology. So stay tuned as we explore the CarpodGo T3 Pro, a game changer for your dashboard. Back in a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is not an iPhone. It kind of looks like an iPhone, but it's actually the T3 Pro CarPlay and Android wireless display screen from CarpodGo. Now, if you don't know CarpodGo, well, they make a ton of different wireless external screens for motor vehicles. Now, before we get into it, CarpodGo sent me this T3 Pro display to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. First up guys, open up the box and we have some instructions. You then have a bunch of different mounting options, including a window mount, which is how I'm going to be demonstrating the install to you later. And you also have some dashboard mounts and some other sticky rubber bits just to make that install a lot easier. You also have a cigarette lighter power adapter to USB-C, which has an on-off button on it, which is kind of cool. And it also has a USB-A pass-through socket. Now, you could use a straight USB-C adapter if your car supports it, but you don't always get the amount of current you need. So I'd advise you to just go with a supplied cable and adapter for the best experience. Otherwise, if you don't get the right current, that you'll find that the screen kind of turns itself on and off all the time. I found that out, so I went back to the standard adapter. Also guys, you get an OTG cable in case you want to do a firmware update. I'm not sure if you can plug any USB drives in for any other purposes, so you know, I'll try that out and let you know in the comments. And guys, if your car doesn't support a reversing camera, well, the T3 comes with one of those as well. So that's a nice touch. You are going to have to probably get that installed properly by a qualified electrician, but you know what? It's there if you need it. And lastly guys, you have a Bluetooth auxiliary receiver. So you know what? Everything you need to get you going is in the pack. Guys, then you have this beautiful screen itself, and I have to say it feels nice in the hand. There are no buttons, just your connections down one side for USB-C, 3.5mm microphone in, 3.5mm AV in. Not sure how that works as there's no supplied cables, and you get a 3.5mm auxiliary socket as well, and your USB-C power in, which I'm connected to here. Now guys, the CarpodGo T3 Pro features a fully laminated screen with a 1920 by 720 resolution. This is an 8.9 inch display, so pretty big. Also, you get over 16 million colors, making everything look really, really stunning, and 700 nits of brightness and an automatic dark mode, so it's easy to see in day or night conditions without straining your eyes. The screen refresh, I don't know if you can see this, but the screen refresh and interaction is really smooth, as this CarpodGo T3 Pro boasts 60 frames per second wireless CarPlay for fluid and responsive control. Honestly guys, from the moment you start the car, it's literally 12 seconds to a full CarPlay display. And that means more time driving and less time waiting. Now, wireless connectivity also simplifies everything. Pair your phone with the display-only Bluetooth mode for instant access to maps, music and calls. And yes, It also supports steering wheel button control and onboard microphone and hands-free control. And you know what, guys? This thing is sleek and it's magnetic. Not only thin but strong, this magnet can hold up to 8 kilograms of downward pressure, so it stays put no matter what the road conditions. And with several mounting options included, as I said in the unboxing, you can secure it exactly where you need it, making it look like it's part of your car's individual style. And looking at the menus, guys, well, you have the standard CarPlay or Android Auto settings, as well as device settings where you can change a whole bunch of audio and display settings, even the logo of the car, your logo of the car, so that when you click on the app button, you can see your logo of the car, and you can see mine is right here. So if I click on that, it goes back to that display where you've got the time and you've got all these settings here. I've got the CarPlay here. I've got Android Auto. If I want to go into it, I've got Bluetooth settings. I've got brightness settings. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here from this menu. And like I said, guys, installation is a breeze. For me, I've got a ton of screens already in my car, so don't really need another one. But installation for me was plug in the power, mount using the windscreen adapter. It's magnetic with the magnetic base, so that was easy. Plug it in, pair it up, and I was good to go. With this clean, minimalist style, guys, the T3 is both attractive and easy to use. Now, I know a lot of you are thinking, well, why not just use my phone? Well, you know what? You can. But, why not have a nice, big, bright, sharp screen? That's got to be better, right? And let's face it, who wants to be fumbling with their phone, particularly in most countries, as using your phone in the car is illegal, and you don't want any problems there, right? So guys, you can control this T3 right from your steering wheel or use your voice commands, keeping your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road exactly where they should be. And another cool feature is the magnetic design, like I already talked about, guys. This isn't just any mount, it's a robust magnetic base. Like I said, you can handle 8 kilograms of pressure here. So whether you prefer central control that seamlessly mounts onto the suction cup, or you want to, plug it onto your dashboard and stick it on there, it all looks great. And guys, you can also, because it's magnetic, take this off, stash it away when you leave the car, put it out of sight so nobody knows that you've got that screen in there. And I have to say, guys, using this was an absolute pleasure, even in a car with plenty of screens. Using it for maps and music, it was fast and responsive and lovely and bright. And it even, as I said, changes to dark mode at night. So guys, there you have it. The CarpodGo T3 Plus packs a punch with its incredibly bright, swift display and awesome connectivity options. It's not just a tool, it's your companion on the road that makes every drive better. Thinking about giving your car a smart upgrade? Well, this CarpodGo T3 Plus could be exactly what you're looking for. And guys, at a price of only $250 at the time of this video going live, it's a pretty cost-effective way to get the latest tech into your car without breaking the bank. I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to CarpodGo for sending me this very cool device to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.